As I stood in front of the Cinderella castle watching the fireworks explode in perfect sync with the music, it was magical. My children stood beside me, eyes wide, completely absorbing the lights, the sound, the color. And in that moment, while I was soaking it all in, I couldn't help but wonder, what about the children who can't enjoy this? What if your child can't handle that noise? What if the magic is too hard, too loud, too bright, too fast? Because for some families, this kind of moment doesn't feel magical. It feels impossible. For children and teens with autism, ADHD, and sensory processing needs, this display can be too much. The booming sounds, the flashing lights, the massive crowd pressed together, the music vibrating in your chest. It's no wonder it's overwhelmed. It's not joy, it's shutdown, it's meltdown. And that's why many families just don't come. Not because they don't want joy, but because they know the cost of it. They know what it feels like to be 1,000 miles from home in a hotel room with a child sobbing in the corner and a heart full of guilt for even trying. So sometimes we stay back. We watch the magic from afar. We love our kids enough not to force it. But here's the part many people don't know. You can prepare. You can build up their tolerance over time, step by gentle step. And it doesn't take years. Sometimes it just takes intention. Here's how you can start. 1. Start small. Show your child short videos of fireworks at home. Let them pause or look away. Don't push, just expose. 2. Use visuals. Look at photos, the castle, the crowds, the lights. Make it familiar. Let them point out what they like, what scares them. And 3. Practice sounds. Play soft firework noises at low volume. Gradually raise it only if they are ready. Use headphones if needed. And 4, build crowd tolerance. Visit local fairs, malls, outdoor markets. Slowly stretch their comfort zone. And 5, make a plan. On the day, stay near the exit. Use noise-canceling headphones. Bring snacks, fidgets, or weighted items. Reassure them they don't have to stay. They can leave whenever they need to. That's not giving up. That's giving them control, which is everything for kids with sensory needs. It's not about pushing through the pain. It's about building readiness before the moment comes. And when the world says, well, everyone else can do it, remember, you are not raising everyone else. You are raising your child. This is what inclusion really means. Not just inviting people, but designing experiences they can truly access. Parents are already doing the work. The world needs to meet them halfway. Every child deserves this Disney magic. Even if it looks different, even if it takes extra prep, even if it doesn't last the full show. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is presence. If you're a parent walking this path, I see you. You're not failing. You're doing something brave. Keep building those little steps. They matter more than you know. So, follow, like, and subscribe to Resilience_Essence for real support, for real families, living in the real world, not the perfect one.